cranberries and Christmas seem to be synonymous. So let's make an old fashioned using that flavor. What do you think? Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. I'm Doc Martinez and I love the holiday season. It's just so much fun. I enjoy the family time, the happiness, just the togetherness that we get, just to all be one together, And I love looking online for, at all the cocktails that people are coming up with. Now, I was planning to make a cranberry old fashioned, and just today I saw my buddy Rob from Rob's Home Bar. He actually made 4 holiday old fashions with a cranberry one in there. So I actually used a little bit of his for inspiration for mine. I kind of borrowed some of his ideas to add to it, and we'll talk about those as we do them. Now, I definitely will leave a link for his video. If you want to see his 4 old fashions for the Christmas holiday, I'll leave a link for that right here. But let's jump into this one. What we're making is a Christmas cranberry orange old fashioned. Doesn't that just make your mouth water already? Just all those flavors. Whew, sounds so yummy to me already. Well, this one we're going to be making in a mixing glass, of course. Let's start off with some bitters. It's a cranberry orange, so of course we're going to add some orange bitters to this. We're going to do a healthy 1-2 dashes of orange bitters. Now, next, this is one of the ideas that I borrowed from him. He actually used this. I hope it shows on here. It is cardamom bitters. I had not thought about using cardamom bitters with this, but he said he's used it on other cocktails, and in this one, it just works well, so I want to try it. I don't get to use the cardamom bitters too often, and so we're going to put 2 nice, healthy dashes in there. He kept saying that this just kind of, stuck out a little bit in a nice way, so I'm excited. I'm excited to try that. Next is the cranberry orange syrup I have. Now, he makes a cranberry syrup and a very good cranberry syrup, and I use that part as inspiration. But I wanted to make this a cranberry orange syrup, so that's what I did. Now, I will leave a link to his below as well, but of course, I'll tell you what changes I did to make mine, to make it more of a cranberry orange. The cranberries that I pulled out of this, that, after you squeeze it and get all the syrup, oh my goodness, those cranberries are delicious. So we are going to do a full 1/2 ounce of this. Now, on his recipe, he only used a 1/4 ounce because he didn't want this to take over. I want to highlight this, and look at this color. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful that looks. And honestly, it smells amazing. Now we're going to also add a little bit more orange. So we're going to use some Grand Marnier. That's an orange flavored liqueur made with cognac, and we're going to do a whole 1/2 ounce of this as well. Now, he went 1/4 and 1/4 kind of to make it less sweet. I want this one to highlight these flavors and just pop. It's a holiday old fashioned, and I want it to feel like it's full of the holiday spirit. I'm also going to be using a rye on this one. Now, I just chose to use this Jack Daniel's rye, the single barrels, because they're barrel proof. It's a higher proof. I wanted, since I'm adding so much sweetener, I want this to still stand out in this. I want this to compete with it and be able to taste it. So use what you have. I'm recommending a rye in this because I feel like it's going to go great and with that contrasting sweetness. But if you want a bourbon, use a bourbon, and you don't have to go as high proof. This one is 131.6 proof, so you don't have to go that high proof if you don't want. But I just wanted mine to, I like the proofing. I like to taste that whiskey. So I want to taste all these flavors, and at the end still have that nice warmth from that whiskey. Kind of give me a nice hug for Christmas. All right, let's stir this up. And of course, you just want to stir this enough to chill it, not to get this too cold in here. You want this to become nice and perfect in your glass. Feeling that nice chill on the outer edge of this right here. So we're going to go ahead and just move this all over. Now, once again, I'm not using a rocks glass because it is the Christmas season and my wife has these beautiful cups, so I want to make sure to highlight them and use them because we don't use them throughout most of the year except for now. And I'm lucky enough to have these cute molds that I have for ice. On this one, we're going to actually use a snowman. Super cute. We're going to put him in here as he's melting in my hands pretty quickly there. And we're going to pull that out and strain this into this glass. And last but not least, we're going to garnish it with some cranberries just to make it look a little pretty. So there you go, my Christmas cranberry orange old fashioned. All right, the fun part. Let's go for that drink. Now, Rob, when he did his, he actually had an orange slice in there and some rosemary and he said that added some nice aroma. And he said he did it mainly for decorations. I didn't have any rosemary, so I didn't feel like it was necessary, but let's go for a drink. Ooh, you already smell that cranberry and orange on top, and then you have that little nice hint of whiskey. All right. Yeah. Man, these holiday drinks have been knocking out of the park. This one is no exception. I like that. Cranberry, orange, and that cardamom does add a little bit of a little like taste that's just tingling on my tongue right now. That just kind of nice. I like that he used that. I would have never thought to use that. So thank you, Rob. And then you get the nice hug from the whiskey at the end. So some spiciness at the end, some kind of just warming and giving you a nice Christmas hug. And the cool thing is, it's not over sweet. I thought it was gonna be a little bit sweeter, but with a nice high proof like this, that whiskey is coming through. So if you want a little bit sweeter, go with the lower proof whiskey. Maybe add a little bit more of the syrup if you don't want that whiskey forward. But I like my old fashions whiskey forward, so perfect. This is perfect for me. Well, there it is, my Christmas cranberry orange old fashioned, inspired by Rob as well. I love the holiday season. I hope you guys are having a blessed one. And may you get everything that's on your wish list. And hopefully you're on the good list, not the naughty list. Thank you, my friends, for joining me on another journey down my old-fashioned rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends, cheers. Mmm.